In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all drawings from your charts on Tradingview. If your charts are feeling cluttered with old trend lines, boxes, or notes, clearing them out can make analysis faster and cleaner. I'll walk you through the built-in tools designed exactly for this, and I'll explain what each option does. So you pick the one that fits your workflow. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview. Once your chart is up, look to the vertical toolbar, usually found on the left side of the screen. On that toolbar, you'll see a small trash can icon. That's the control you'll use to quickly clear visual items. Don't click it just yet, hover over it for a moment. When you do, you'll notice a small arrow or expand option appears. Select that arrow to open the clearing choices. You'll see two options: remove drawings or remove drawings and indicators. Here is what that means. Drawings are your manual chart annotations, things like trend lines, Fibonacci tools, shapes, arrows, and text you've added. Indicators, on the other hand, are the studies or overlays powered by formulas and settings, such as moving averages, RSI, or volume indicators. If your goal is to wipe just the drawings and keep your indicators intact, choose Remove Drawings. If you want a completely clean slate that strips both your manual annotations and your technical indicators in one go, choose Remove Drawings and Indicators. Pick the option that matches how much you want to clear. Here is also a quick alternative if you prefer using the context menu. Right-click anywhere on the chart area, then select Remove Drawings. This does the same thing as the first option we covered. It removes all drawings while leaving indicators unchanged. It's a handy shortcut when you just want the annotations gone without adjusting anything else. A couple of tips as you do this: take a quick moment to confirm which option you are choosing so you don't remove more than intended. If you are clearing a complex setup you might want to reference later, consider taking a screenshot first. And remember, this process focuses on the visual elements in your current chart view. So it's an efficient way to reset your screen without touching your data or account settings. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.